Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Today's tutorial is based on a question somebody asked me about their 2026 Honda Civic Hybrid with Google Assistant, Google built in, and how you can change the voice. Now, unfortunately, there are some limitations as to what you can and can't change. It's not as broad as I would like for it to be as far as in the vehicle itself goes. But if you have the 9-inch touchscreen, this is what you're ultimately going to do. So we're going to switch over to my other camera right here. And we're going to go to the screen. And here's what you need to do. You need to find General Settings, wherever that is on your screen. Then you need to go over here to Google. And you're going to go to Google Assistant. Languages. Now here's what's going to happen. You can come in here. It's going to be set to default English United States. However, if you want to have a British accent, here's how that's going to work. So let me give you a demonstration. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
I'll let you decide whether this one is sarcastic. Why did they build the university on a mountain? It was a place of higher learning.
And there you go as far as that goes. Now that's not all you can do. There are a few other options here as far as that goes. Now you can set any language you want to really, but you've got English Ireland. So if you want that Irish accent, you can do that. We're also going to be able to come way down here. There's a couple more to talk about. Let's find them real quick. There is English Australia and English Canada. I can't really tell a big difference with English Canada, but if we go to Australia, here's how that's going to sound. Hey Google, how far am I from the nearest restaurant?
All right, Burgerons, Boudin, and Cajun meats.
And that's Bergerons, not Burgerons, but that's okay. We didn't guarantee that the system would actually get that part of it correct, but that's how you do it. It's that simple. I do wish that you could change things up here within the vehicle to have a different voice. If you wanted a man's voice, whatever you wanted, you could do that, but that is ultimately how you set that up. So for those who might have wanted to know, I did have somebody ask that question. There's a quick tutorial for you. I couldn't find anything else to really help with that on YouTube. Hopefully that answers the question. If you have a Honda or any vehicle related tutorial you want to see me make, tell me down in the comments section. I will try and make that for you as soon as I can. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.